Hello everyone, my name is Anuradha Giri. I'm a second year law graduate, currently pursuing the internship with the Law Current Consultancy to discuss the very basic topic which is a legal personality. Before discussing the legal personality, let us understand what does the term person mean. So basically the term person is derived from the Latin word persona, which means that a different personalities played by a person in different situations. So it is a particularly a mask worn by a person in different situations while playing their roles. Okay, there are many supporters, or we can say that the scholars have been there who has supported that the legal personality has their different aspects and different meaning at their different levels. Okay, so firstly, Savigny says that personality is a subject or a bearer of rights, okay? And whereas Gray says that a person is an entity to which the rights and duty may be attributed, which means that a person is a particular body to which we can give the rights and the duties has to be followed, obliged to their rights. Okay, moving further, the personality or the person term has been classified into two categories, which is a natural person and the artificial person. Natural person consists of the human beings, and the artificial personality consists of the legal or the juristic personalities. Okay, so further, there is a classification of an artificial personality in three parts, which is the institution, corporation, and the fund or estate. Okay, we'll discuss it later. Let us discuss that what does the natural personality means. So, natural personality is a human being. This personality is acquired from the birth. So the rights has been given to a person from his birth, and it is seized by his death. Okay, so basically we can say is that this personality start from the birth and end from till and continues till the death of a person. During its lifespan, the person is having his rights and obligations and duties, okay, towards the others. Whereas the natural person can enter into any contract with any person, and he or she could be sued and has a right to sue the other person to which the contract has been made. Now let us discuss the second point, means the artificial personality. The artificial personality is also known as legal personality. This personality is created by law or by the process of law. Well, as I have told that the legal personality is further divided into three categories. So the kinds of legal personality is institution, corporation, and funds or estate. Firstly, we will discuss what is the corporation mean. So basically, it is a group of successive person regarded as a real person by a legal fiction. Means it is not basically a real human being, it is a personality or the corporation created by the legal fictions. Means there is no real existence of this personality, but it does exist by the law. Okay, now there is a further classification of corporation. Corporation is divided into two parts, that is the corporation sole and corporation aggregate. Corporation soul can be understood as a sovereign power, that is the supreme, which is not under the influence of any external personality. Okay, whereas corporate aggregate can be understood as a municipalities. Okay, or we can say that the municipal corporation. Now let us discuss what does the institution mean. As a corporation, institution is not a group of any successive personality, but it is like, just we can say, take the examples of college, schools. Institution may also consist mosque, church, libraries, etc. Now, the third part of the legal personality can be understood as the funds reserved for the particular use, like funds for charity, property of dead person, estate of insolvent person, etc. Okay. Now, let us discuss legal status of legal person. So, who can be termed in this category? So, basically, there are many forms like legal status of animals, legal status of idols, legal status of unborn child, and legal status of dead man. First, we are going to discuss that the legal status of an animals. Earlier, law does not consider a beast or the lower level animals as a person, but due to the further development, the law come with an act which is known as the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act. Okay, this act basically functions as like protecting the animals from cruelty of human beings, as there has been the news of cow slaughtering. The cows has been slaughtered on a highest range. To reduce this cruelty, the government has came with across this act. Okay, now let us discuss the legal personality or the legal status of a dead person. So basically, the dead person is not considered as a person in the eye of the law. The right of the person start from the birth, but it ceases to be from by the death of a person. So basically, the dead men have no legal personality. Okay, so but however, the law protects the dead man's body, reputation, and his estate even after the death of that person. Furthermore, let us have the topic which is the legal status of the unborn child. Unborn child is having the rights to have a birth and to be treated and provided with the nutrients which are basically necessary for an unborn child. An unborn child has also given an eminent value in the eye of the law. That is, law has given an law that the unborn child test, that whether she is a girl child, whether he is a boy, this test should not be made before the birth of a child. Moving further, we are going to discuss the theories which is related to the legal personality. Basically, there are five theories related to the legal personality. First is fiction theory, second is realistic theory, third is bracket theory, fourth is concession theory, and the last one is purpose theory. We are going to firstly discuss the fiction theory. So, the main propounders of the fiction theory are Salmon, Savigny, Holland, Koch, and Blackstone. According to this theory, the corporation is clothed with the legal personality, and the personality of corporation is different from that of its member. The second theory is realist theory of legal personality. The main founder of this theory is J. Althusis. According to this theory, a legal person is a real person, whereas the right does not only belong to the human being who has taken the birth as a human being, but it belongs to every being which possesses the right or the life of will of its own. However, the corporation is also a subject to a rights. With this, let us end our video and this topic Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you to the team of the law consistency. Thank you.